What's up, everybody? You know who it is. It's Scotty the Body from the Boardr, and we are live at the Dream Driveway. That's right, Ryan Clements' house for another edition of the Boardr barbecue and session at the Dream Driveway. Yes, you know what's going on. We got the ledges, the rails, of course, Ryan Clements' signature concrete quarter pipes, and we're getting it barbecue style. Big old skate session, no contest, just good times, beers, and chicken with the homies. Let's get it. All right, boys and girls, the sun's about to set, so that means another annual Boardr barbecue at the Dream Driveway is a wrap. Thank you guys for coming out. See you next year.